Hello guys! Good afternoon guys! Today guys, we're having a unboxing regarding my new AirPods Pro! My name is DaxAd29 and this is my YouTube channel, and please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And guys, for those who do like, who subscribe and share my vlogs for the previous vlogs, thank you very much. And for today, we're having a unboxing. So I bought this yesterday and it's like a little bit pricey, but it's okay. So there's a quote that if you work hard, you need to treat yourself to have this fulfillment for being like, it's just like a reward on yourself, right? So let's get started, and thank you for watching guys, and we will see what's gonna be the next. Hello guys, let's get started guys for the unboxing of my new AirPods Pro. Before that guys, I would like to show what I bought yesterday. So I had my Panzer glass for my phone, and the next I bought yesterday the case of my phone. So next guys, I bought yesterday these AirPods Pro Spygen for the double protection of the case of my AirPods Pro. So the next guys is my new AirPods Pro. And they said there's a quote that if you work hard, you need to treat yourself. So I treat myself and I can have this. And it's also my birthday gift to myself. So thank you salary. Woo, I have this. It's very good. Anyway, so we will do the unboxing right now. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna peel this first here. Ayun. And then just looks like, here we go. So we're gonna have this. This is the box guys. Well, it's durable, huh? Good. Anyway, this is the pamphlet. We'll check guys. The manual. This one guys. So there's no sticker. Anyway, that's good. Okay, so this is it guys. The AirPods Pro. There you go. There you have it guys. Ayun. The bigger. It's heavy, a little bit heavy, but it's okay. So we will start to peel this off. That's the way. How is it? Okay. Ano ba to? Hidrante man. There, it's too small. See guys? Too small. So we'll open. Ta-dang! See guys, so cute. Kuyawa eh. So we're gonna set aside this one first, and then we will pull this off. Oh, okay guys. These are the earbuds. It has different sizes. The small and the large one. So the medium may be this one, the medium size. This one. They have this the charger cable, and it's a Type C already guys. Type C cable. See? So that's it. That's the okay. That's it guys. So we're gonna return it back again. We will read some the specs of this AirPods Pro. Okay, the first one is connect to the iOS or in your phone. Turn on your Bluetooth. Okay, I'll turn on my Bluetooth. The Bluetooth. Yeah, it's already on. then after that, connect AirPods Pro. So you're gonna open this about 5 centimeter. So we'll open and then use with your other app. So as you can see, guys, see, so it's turning. That's cool though. AirPods Pro connect. It's connecting. Okay, that's good. It says media control. Press and hold on either iPod Pro to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. So skip. Use Siri, yes. English, yes. Arabic daw meron. Announce messages, continue. Oh, it's 42%. The earbuds and the charging case is about 40% too. So done. Wow. It's connected. Very good. So gonna pull this off. Wow. Wow. This is the right. Okay. It's magnets, guys. Good. It's so good. The design, guys, is so good. I don't know how to put this stuff. Anyway, I don't know how to put this stuff. Oh, that one. Sorry. So guys, see? Ang ganda niya. So those, and then next, press the play and pause. This area. So this is the right one. Wow, it's so good. You know what, guys? It's like noise cancelling also. So gonna press this part. So like this. Double press to keep forward. Triple press to skip back. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Switch between active noise cancellation and transparency modes. It's so good. I love it. It's so good. If you press and hold, it is the noise cancelling and transparency mode. That's so good. It's like you can't hear outside. It's like you can hear your breath. You can hear your the way you swallow. That's the only thing you can hear. See? You can't hear anything outside unless the way you talk, your voice, you can hear it, obviously. And you can hear your breath. AirPods Pro, hands down. Because you know what, guys, it's been 6 to 8 months. I read some reviews, I read some of the articles, and I watched in the YouTube, and all the review of these AirPods is good. And the cons of this is it's a little bit pricey. but it's for me it's worth it, and I love it. And this is my first time earbuds I bought. It's very good, guys. The quality of the music, but it's not the same in Bose because I have Bose here, and the bass of this is like it's okay, and a little bit pricey, and the style of this earbud is so good that it's wireless. And guys, thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you in my next vlog.